one thing but the other thing, it used to tell people to study them. Because you know one thing about them? They work together. That little bit of dust we see on top of the earth ain't nothing. If we dig up y'all, then y'all will see the work the ant put in. You understand? And then over y'all, one ant did way over y'all, and another ant did way over there. They have to tell them come together, they stay together. And when you see one or two, the cat thing on his head going back in the hole, like we used to, the only thing for time we had to be coming back to the house. It ain't just for one person when you get to the house. Might be 20 head of people did it. And everybody going in. But wherever it going in there. If it going out Jordan and it gets on that Carolina going right, so now one, everybody gonna have some. If it going to the creek and it gets shrimp, and that was in it, everybody gonna have some. If you ain't got but 1 or 2 shrimp for your plate. Or just the gravy over the grits. But everybody. That's why when Sister Glenda Snowder said, everybody have to have everything. You ain't have to have it cook up plus the fish, plus the flour, plus the this. You just bring one piece. And everybody in the circle bringing peace in. We got everything we need. That's how the Gullah Geechee Nation come from. The people, the Mandinka, Balenke, Yoruba, Gullah, Geechee, Mendi, Temni, Ifi, Ibibio, the indigenous people come along, the Cree, the Adisto, all of them, they say, look here, 100 got you, bring them here, 100 got did it, you bring them here, we 100 got did it, bring them, and fight each other for the thing, and bring all the way together. So in our circles, we would gather together and continue our tradition and our language and our culture and share what we have. But we can't share them with you if you way out on us somewhere and we ain't supposed to know you did it. Because we ain't going out for luck for you. If we on the porch, and you know the time we supposed to get up on that porch, you better have your boat keep on the porch, that's all. Somebody might ask about you, but we ain't going to leave we plate for go find you. You understand? Okay, after it, it might look for you. If it don't lay down first. Okay, it's going to lay down. So see, now we have to get together. And just because y'all say time hard, and no such a thing because people tell y'all this depression, the recession, and all kind of thing. They ain't got nothing to do with them. Time been hard for people of color in this your country. Well, right. Well. We get you because of hard time. Well. So ain't no such a thing that God ain't gonna bless we through this to next time better than this year. So you understand? We have to know that. And see, that's the thing. But if one of the act like one of the no, one ain't going. We got a doctor was to say, "Hunter think free, hunter be free." The Bible tells us to what? Be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind. As a man thinketh, so is he. As a woman thinketh, so is she. So all I need to do is bind your mind and tell you never connect. And then you do it. So your children do that same thing. And your children's children do that same thing. They never connect. And then you wonder, what wrong with these children? They just want things for yourself. They learn it from you. Remember that song, she get it from my mama. Okay? So that's the reality we live in the Gullah Geechee Nation, and starts at Jacksonville, North Carolina, and goes to Jacksonville, Florida, where our circle got intersected by a line called Western culture. And that dissection tried to split the circle in 2 halves. Then it came back and tried to cut it the other way and split it in 4 pieces and said, y'all in North Carolina ain't got nothing. And then y'all in South Carolina, okay, y'all Gullah. And then the one over in Georgia, y'all will be Geechees. And y'all in Florida, we don't even know. And for the longest, people believed it. So even now when we have gatherings and say it's Gullah Geechee, people tell me, I saw you in the paper. Okay, I wasn't just in the paper. I wasn't on the lockdown. You didn't see me in the obituary. I mean, what? No, it said y'all were having an event. How did it go? Right. Well, why weren't you there to help it go? We asked for you to come, be part of the circle. Don't stay on the outside and then tell somebody else, I ain't never see one of them Gullah Geechee, you know. I ain't gonna see them. And looking for us on the Discovery Channel. So one thing we discovered was that we needed to bring our people back together. Those four parts should have never been segmented or divided. We needed to mold them edges back. We needed to put the circle back. And so that our people know that circle where you can enter in and be safe. Being just who you be. Now, I want to introduce some people that are here today. Y'all have heard me call this man's name a multiple time already. But from the Gullah Geechee Nation Assembly of Representatives out of Georgia, I want to introduce officially Reverend Zach Lodge.
Oh, yeah!
All right. All right. And Reverend Lodge is our first member from Georgia of the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association.
Amen.
All right. And our first two members from Florida were Sister Geneva McGowan.
That's right.
And Sister Glenda Simmons-Jenkins.
All right.
I want to officially introduce to you the officers of the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association and founding members. I am the secretary, but to my right, this is President Mark Smith.
Hi,
and he's
Mark.
going to introduce the
All right.
Brother
All right, Mark.
Amen.
All right.
Amen.
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 You know, I came down here today and I said, I'm not going to talk much. And most of the time, I don't have to talk much. And today, I feel like I don't have to talk much. Because Queen has said it all.
All right.
All we need to do is stick together.
Yes, sir.
Amen.
We can make anything happen we want
Yes, yes.
if we stick together.
That's
Yes.
right.
I'm a 35-year commercial fisherman.
That's
Look at here. I met one of my brothers. I talked to him on the radio
all the time. All the time.
Hadn't seen him in 25, 30.
All right, brother.
Amen.
That's wonderful, man.
That brings joy to my heart.
I know it does.
See, one of my brothers.
Yes, sir. God bless you, my brother.
I always call him Deke. He's preaching. I always call him Deke.
Oh, yeah. That's wonderful.
But I'm not going to talk much. I'm going to introduce my fellow members. And I just want to say, those who are interested, stick around for a while, talk to us, see what we're about, learn what the culture is, see if you think it's right for us, you know, to keep doing this, which I know it is.
Absolutely.
I mean, I'm a successful businessman. I've been in business for myself 20 years. I own the biggest shrimp company in Beaufort County.
That is fantastic. Oh, that's what we talking about.
So if I can make it work, I
Yes,
know my
sir.
brothers can make it work.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I've been the president of the Shrimpers Association in South Carolina for 12 years.
That's all
I
right.
fought the biggest politicians there is.
I know you have.
I do not bow down to a politician
Like
just
that
because
juice.
they say Mr. If we want it done,
man.
if it's feasible in God's eyes,
Yes, sir.
we can get it done.
Yes, sir.
But we have to stick together.
Yes, sir.
They've took the ocean from us.
Uh-oh.
We need it back.
All right.
We need to feed our families.
Yes, sir.
The ocean is a source.
Yes,
of
sir.
food for us.
Yes, sir.
Did it for millions of years.
That's right.
So we need to take it back.
Take it back.
My vice president, Ricky Wright.
Hey, Ricky.
All right. Stanley and Lavender over there on the cooker frying fish.
Excellent.
I'm going to turn it back over to Queen. But y'all please stick around and talk.
And one of the ways that folks can help us, one, of course, Reverend Richard, you know I'm all over you with this, is by becoming members of the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association if you're a person of African descent that's still fishing. Fishing, shrimping, oyster picking, clam picking, anything come out the water and you eat them, that's what we mean by fishing. We don't mean just rod or reel or cast net, okay? And you don't have to be no commercial person. You don't have to know a lot. You might not even know how to bait your hook. Well, we need you in here. We gonna learn you how to do that and more, okay? And then for all of the friends of the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association, the Gullah Geechee Nation, period, friends and fans that have been with us for years in the making. We have both the T-shirts that you see they're wearing are for sale, but to anyone.
Let's get this done. Let's get these young people in here and get this information to them, because if we don't, they're going to have, you ain't going to be able to walk down that beach.
Right.
Talk about throw a crab line out there to try and catch a crab or a shrimp. You ain't going to be able to walk down there. So we got to get these young. You know, all it takes. We get 100 young people in there, just for instance, and it might just take that one with that knowledge to get us where we need to be. That's all it takes, that one, and that's what we got to work toward.
Alright, Hunter chilling this year. The Queen Quet coming to Hunter one more again on Gullah Geechee TV. Look who me catch down here to the dock in Fernandina. But the president of Gullah Geechee Fishing Association, Brother Mark Schmidt, captain of the Wild Hog. What going on, Brother Schmidt?
What's going on, Queen?
How everything going?
Good.
So me yeah, they say y'all had one successful event yesterday.
Oh, we had a real good time and real good event.
Yeah, over American Beach.
Yep.
Just a leeways up the creek from here.
That's right.
So what you know about this dock here?
Oh, I used to come here a long time ago. Basically, all the shrimp just come in and tie up. And now it's just all going to the wayside. The shrimping industry is gone from around this place. It's dead.
Yeah, I see a lot of tourists, but ain't so much of these boats here. Y'all can see the season ain't even open, so you can't say, well, the boats must be out trawling. Because the season ain't even open yet. We ain't got but this one right here. And that's it. Brother Ricky Wright. Brother Ricky Wright.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, y'all see who in the background? This is the vice president of the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association. How honored to do?
Doing fine.
So what you doing down here in Florida?
Well, I'm doing a little festival down here in Florida. Little promotion. Gullah Geechee Fishing Association.
Now, why y'all want to come all the way to Florida? I hear say y'all start that thing in South Carolina. What you doing in Florida?
We're trying to get it all up and down the East Coast, really.
All right, so how everything going so far?
So far, everything's working just fine.
All right. I see one of your members step into the frame, and Brother Stanley nabbing it right there. From St. Helena Island, how things going, brother?
Everything is going great.
All right, so you was there frying fish, me, y'all.
Yes, I was frying, taking care of the festival to make sure everybody's belly was full with some nice hot fish.
I know that's right. So yeah, so how you like it down here in Florida, man?
I love it. They're real accessible. They treat you well. Hope we can have more members to come in and be a part of it. So that's why we're here.
I know that's right. Now, why you think it's so important for more people to be part of the work that's going on?
I mean, for the effort that we're doing, that we step out every day, and we travel, from all up the East Coast to try to get members to be in, to see how important our effort, what we do.
Right, so we can keep the tradition going on.
Exactly.
Keep some more of their belly full, ain't it?
There you go.
I know that's right. I know that's right. So yeah, that's all right.
So we ain't giving up. We're gonna keep trying. We're gonna keep on moving.
That's the way we gotta do them.
Yes.
We ancestors never give up. We can't give up neither.
Yeah, exactly.
That's it. I'm with you on that. So yeah. So my brothers, so y'all figure we gonna get all these your Gullah Geechees together. I see we had South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida at the event yesterday. I know that have to make you feel good when you're the leaders of a new association and things like that, and you see the family coming together in it.
It makes us feel real good.
Yeah. But more and more coming. So all the Hunter chilling with it yet, but what we the crack we teeth about, you want to make them so in just a one boat tie up, but you got plenty of them and see the Lord of Gullah Geechee and take the kind off at these dock again. All y'all have to do, go to www.GullahGeecheeFishingAssociation.com. Join we, see what are going on, because you know when Hunter the day with me, that what Hunter going yet about. This year the Queen Quet, head from the body of this year Gullah Geechee Nation, secretary of the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association. Thank you, chillin'.